Today we're going to show you on how to be able to set your memory on your Bellage remote control. When you get the remote control, you have 3 setting locations that you could save positions. Let's say one of the positions you want to save sitting up. What you want to do is you want to hold the set, hold it for a few seconds until the light lights up. Once it lights up at the same time, simultaneously press on P1. Okay, once we go ahead and do that, we set that. Let's say we get the bed adjusted to different position. I get it adjusted with backrest going down. Then we get the footrest to come up. And then I press on P1. It goes back to where I saved it. And that's how you're able to save your memory on your Bellage hand remote control.